Welcome to Kicks and Beats, the channel. I am your host, Bro AJ. Please hit subscribe, please hit like, and stay tuned. Walmart. What is going on with you guys? Like, seriously, what is going on with you guys? Okay, so how do they have the right to complain to Kanye West and Yeezy brand for the new logo they wanted to select because somehow it looks super similar to their brand? And then they pull off this move where they come out with the foam runners themselves on Walmart.com. like, come on. Unless that is the reason why, you know? Maybe you just wanted to start issues. But anyways, at the same time, thank you, Walmart, for those fake foam runners, because now I have an early look for you guys right here today because Walmart gave me a pair of the Red Octobers, aka Vermillions. I mean, it's not the real pair, of course, guys, it's fake, but I wanted to show you guys anyways because I just thought it was real interesting. You know, it looks exactly the same. It looks exact towards the pair that we should be receiving this October, I believe. You know how Kanye West and Yeezy brand does when it comes to their hues, but I'm guessing it's going to be the same hue. I'm going to keep it around so that when the Red Octobers, aka Vermillions, do release this October, I can compare with this fake pair and see just how exact they were able to get to the pair. But anyways, let's show you this pair real quick. What I have right here is an actual authentic pair of the Ararat. The Ararat is the first pair that dropped via Yeezy brand. This is it right here. Size 11. They don't do half sizes, so I was left to either choose size 10 or 11. I went with 11. I don't like nothing tied to my feet. Anyways, take a look at these bad boys right here. Woo! The new Yeezys. Oh man. So the way sizing works, I don't know. They had a size where it was like size 10/11. I took that, and this is what I got here. Of course, you're not going to see the brand underneath, you know, Yeezy brand, but here it says 44/45. And as you can see, quality control isn't that great. You can tell right here. Quality control was not that great, and when I checked the details online, it said it was made out of PVC. Now for those who don't know, Yeezy brand, when they made these right here, the Ararats, these were made with algae and foam, a mixture of algae and foam. This right here, I don't know if it's just PVC, but I'm pretty sure there's no algae in this, and it does not feel the same, guys. Just letting you know off back, it's not. It does not feel the same at all. Yeah, it really doesn't. But we're gonna try it on today and let you guys know how comfortable they are. On a scale of 1 to 10, that's what I'm gonna do. With Yeezy foam runners being a straight up 10, of course. But anyways, take a look at the details. Now, one thing I've noticed is, look, when you get this pair, it can come with these creases already. I'm just gonna wait a second because the fire department's about to swing by right now. Alright, cool, they're gone. Anyways, so I'm gonna grab this pair real quick and show you the differences between an authentic pair and the Walmart pair. I don't know if you guys noticed, but look at this hole. This hole right here is a lot bigger than this hole right here. So it's basically the holes. The holes aren't shaped exactly the same. And here, as you can see, it's more oval-like with the authentic pair. Here, not as much. It's more widespread. Even inside here, the shaping from the inside, the pattern they used. Well, I don't know. That's not a good comparison because the Ararats I wore for such a long time, but they feel different. They don't feel exact. Still feels different. But yeah, check it out, guys. Here's a close-up. Got this for $20. Now, you know what I think is crazy, guys? I don't know if Yeezy did it. I don't know what happened. I think they got in trouble already. It's just guesses because I did order a fake pair for my son as well. A blue one, like about 2 days after ordering this pair. And they ended up canceling his. While these were shipping over here, his got canceled. I had a total refund. And I'm hearing from other people as well that a lot of their orders got canceled, but it's like the ones that they ordered after the first. Everybody who ordered them, like as soon as they released, they were able to get it if they purchased the same day they dropped. But for everybody who ordered about 2 or 3 days after Walmart released these, you guys were all getting cancellations. That's what I've been getting told. And another weird thing that happened, let me grab this real quick. So Walmart happened to send this over to me as well, along with everybody else who ordered from the website. Now, I don't know if this was for the people who got canceled orders, but we all received an inflatable balloon. Like, it's not inflated, we have to inflate it, but it's a big golden L, guys. Look at that. Like, seriously. It was the weirdest thing ever. Like, at first I thought it was a hater. Like, I had to get to the bottom of this, but it turns out all of us who got canceled orders via Walmart, we all received this, so... I don't know. It's really weird, but that's what happened. Time to give you that up-close on-feet look and let you know about the comfortability rate. Let's get to it. Alright, so I wore them, tried them on, and I gotta say, they feel so different. Now with the authentic pairs, it feels pretty flush when your foot is inside, like it feels pretty leveled. With this pair, I don't know, for some reason it feels like, yeah, you can even see the heel area, it's a little more lifted compared to the front. You're gonna feel that slope when your foot is inside for sure. And comfortability rate, while authentic Yeezy foam runners are a 10 out of 10 to me, I have to say this fake pair right here, this pair that's made with PVC, it's definitely like around like a 7. I'm not gonna lie, it's definitely like a 7 out of 10. This feels more comfortable than Jordans. I can tell you that very easily. It really is. Will this crease easily with time? I believe so, because my pair already came with creases, so that's it's a little scary. Well, not that scary, seeing this was at a $20 price point, but then again, I don't know if this is going to be available via Walmart anymore, guys, because they're having issues right now, so yeah. One more thing I wanted to point out before we end this video, guys, is look here. Not sure if you can see, but inside the holes, you can see that they weren't able to cut out the holes perfectly. There's like a little bit of plastic left along the edges here. You know, gonna have to find a way to like rip those extra portions off. Well, they tried. They sure as hell tried. I'm not gonna lie, sizing was pretty damn good on that. I wish Yeezy brand could like step their game up with the sizing and give us half sizes for the foam runners. That would be incredible, because that red pair fits better than this pair right here. But I'm not gonna go with the size 10. It'll be too tight for me. I had to stick to 11. Anyways, thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you guys get W's in October when the authentic pair of Vermillions come out. I really hope you guys do. It's your boy Broadway J, host of Kicks and Beats. I'm out, y'all. Take care.
È che tu punch, io lo puncio con un pinch,